In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Chewy gift card. First, start by going to chewy.com on your web browser. Alternatively, you can open the Chewy app on your mobile device. Whichever option you choose, the process will be quite similar, so feel free to use what's most convenient for you. Once you're on the site or in the app, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're not already signed in, look for the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the website or on the main screen of the app. Enter your email and password to proceed. This step is crucial because it ensures that your purchases are linked to your account, making tracking orders easier. With your account ready, it's time to shop. Add the items you need or want to your cart. You can do this by navigating through the categories or using the search bar to find specific products. Once you find an item you like, click the Add to Cart button. Take your time browsing. There's no rush. Remember, adding items to your cart is a vital part of the shopping process. It ensures that all your chosen products are ready for checkout. Now that your cart is filled with the items you want, click the Go to Checkout button. This option is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen and will guide you to the next step. You are now moving closer to completing your purchase, and everything should be set for payment. As you proceed to checkout, you'll need to scroll down to the payment section. This is where the magic happens. In this section, you'll find different payment options. Look specifically for the option that allows you to add a gift card. Next up, select the Add a Gift Card option. This step is important because it enables you to use your Chewy gift card as a payment method. Once you click on it, fields will appear where you can enter your gift card details. Now enter your gift card number and the PIN. These are usually found on the back of the card or in the email if it was an electronic gift card. Be sure to enter these numbers carefully to avoid any errors. This step is crucial as it allows the system to recognize the funds available on your gift card. After entering the details, click Apply. This action will deduct the gift card balance from your total amount due. You should see the balance deducted right away, confirming that your gift card has been successfully applied to your purchase. This step reassures you that your gift card funds are being used. Finally, finish your payment as you normally would. If there is any remaining balance, you can choose another payment method to cover it. Completing this step finalizes your purchase, and you should receive a confirmation shortly. And there you have it. You've successfully used a Chewy gift card to make a purchase. This method is not only simple but also a great way to make the most of your gift cards. Thanks for watching and happy shopping on Chewy.